Hello pre-K friends, this is Mr. Mark, and today to celebrate Earth Day I'm going to teach you how to make paper trees using two things, some newspaper and a pair of scissors. Alright, let's get started. So, after you've rolled up your newspaper, just take a pair of scissors and then you want to make some cuts all around the edges of one end of your roll-up newspaper. Just make a few cuts. Alright, that looks good. Let's see. It's all kind of flayed out at the ends. And you want to separate them like this. And then you want to take them in the middle. Take the middle and then just pull. And look. You have a really nice tree to help celebrate Earth Day. By the way, April 22nd, 2020 is the 50th anniversary of this event, which is pretty neat. Alright, that's it for my little tree arts and crafts paper activity. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I will see you soon.